What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on Mr. Junior Dev. I hope you are all well. And today we're going to be talking about degrees. Ooh. The cost of degrees are very, very high, as you all know. But there is another option. And I'm actually enrolled in a degree program at the moment. So let's get straight into it. All right, guys. So if you guys recall in my previous videos, I mentioned that a degree is not really worth much, and I'm actually against degrees because of the amount of time it takes to complete a degree. So don't get me wrong, don't think that now that I'm trying to label degrees as completely useless. Yes, sometimes I do feel like, yeah, it is kind of useless, but there is some benefit in completing a degree. And one of the benefits I've seen is that a person that completes a degree program, a person that goes through a degree program is far more disciplined. Because really, if you're going to dedicate 3-4 years of your life, then you must really have. But at the same time, when you are so disciplined, it's sort of like you now have adopted this tunnel vision mentality, whereas it's only this way. That's the downside of it. I still feel that degree programs are too lengthy. There's a lot of theoretical content within the actual program that isn't necessary. Right in front of me here, guys, I've got the GitHub page for Open Source University, which is the self-taught way to get your computer science degree. So for anyone out there that is afraid of cost of a regular university, which is the formal path, look into Open Source University. I think they are definitely well worth it, and it's free education. What more do you want? So we do it for the education, for the knowledge, not for the certificate or the degree itself. I'm also enrolled in the degree program. I'll quickly show you. I haven't completed so many tasks, but here's an example of my profile. Okay, so I'm enrolled in the computer science degree program. As you can see here, I'm not very far. I've only achieved 2 out of 60. And I've completed MIT's Introduction to Computer Science and Programming using Python, and Introduction to Computer Science, which is the CS50 through Harvard University. Then you get things like Core CS programming, how to code simple data, complex data, constructs data, all the modules that you need to complete, programming languages, Part C. Then you get Core CS Math. Then you get Core CS Systems, Theory. There's a lot of theory in here. Yeah, in systems, and then theory, then algorithms, machine learning, computer graphics, cryptography, software engineering introduction. You got advanced CS math, systems theory, applications. This is actually the master's degree program. It does take it's 60 modules. It's a lot of work. It takes a lot of time. So it's not something that's easily achievable. It's a lot of time and a lot of dedication and a lot of discipline. Then a lot of the knowledge that you've acquired, you don't even use in the real world. So that's the problem with this sort of path. These degree programs are usually very expensive, very lengthy, and sometimes they are outdated because of the pace of technology and the pace of the economy and so on and so forth. It's up to you guys what you would like to do and what you'd like to decide. Like I said, I don't actually like degree programs, but I've enrolled for the knowledge, not for the certificate or for the degree. And I've never had the opportunity to complete a degree before. That's the other thing about a degree program. It's very exclusive. Like, it's only for the wealthy. That's how it was. I hope you liked this video. I hope I gave you some value. Peace out. Thanks a lot. Consider liking and subscribing. Appreciate it. Bye.